In today's video, we're going to show you what tools that you will need to install bathroom cladding. Now we're going to break this down into two parts. The first is going to be a budget setup, which will be very affordable for pretty much anyone. The first thing that you will need is a tape measure. You're going to use this to measure your space with, also the panels and the trims. Next is a pencil. This is used to mark your measurements with. You will need a handsaw to cut the panels, but ensure it's a fine tooth saw because this will ensure that you make easy work of cutting your panels. The next tool is a Stanley Blade. Ensure that you install a new blade though before making any cuts, because this is going to guarantee that you make your cuts quickly and easily. You will need a caulking gun and also some silicone. Use your Stanley Blade to cut off the top of the silicone. Place on the nozzle and then fit it into the caulking gun. Ensure this is tight against the tube of silicone though. Now, finally remove the cap and trim off the nozzle at an angle. You can then easily apply this to the back of your panel. When you've added the panel to the wall, you're going to need to fix it. To do this, you will need countersunk screws and a screwdriver. Next is the professional toolkit. Now this has many of the same tools that you used in the budget kit, but a few to just make it just a little bit more easy. Replace the pencil with a fine tip marker. Replace the fine tooth saw with a multi-tool or even a bench saw. This is going to ensure a quicker, more accurate cut. Finally, replace the screwdriver with an electric drill. This will make fixing to the wall significantly easier. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and if you'd like to watch more videos on DIY tips, then please make sure you subscribe to the channel.